Hello and welcome to Technology for Blind YouTube channel. So I'm back with the next part of the Android accessibility tutorial series. So in this time I'm going to be teaching you how to use the app called YouTube. So the YouTube app is mostly accessible, but unfortunately you cannot use the description box on the YouTube app. You cannot click links which is in the description box. That is the disadvantage of this YouTube app, but other things you can do quite well. So let's get started now. YouTube. Okay. Now after clicking the YouTube app, it will land on the home screen. Okay. Bottom left corner, from the bottom left corner there are 1 2 3 4 5 buttons. Selected home button. Trending means self-explanatory, which shows what is trending currently. Okay. Subscriptions, which is your subscribed channels. It will show what are the posts and videos from your subscribed channels. Okay. Inbox, the notifications. Library, you can check the downloads, settings, all of the things. Okay. So to go to a video, just how do I tell this? If you are a completely blind, for one page, that means at a time the YouTube app can display 2 videos, okay, with the thumbnail and with the photo and the text, the name of the video and title, etc. So you can touch up like top side of the phone. Yeah, now you can use the default talkback gesture to navigate. Swipe right, go to channel, menu,
go to video, 5 minutes 51 seconds, 10 things confident, alpha males, never do, alpha M, 800, go to channel button.
Now it will say how many views the video has got, etc.
Menu button. Go to video, 12 minutes, good guitarist viewers also watch this channel, sentimental calls. On guitar, Marco Cirillo 289k views 5 months ago.
Yeah, 289k views. Let's increase the, okay.
Go to channel button.
Accessibility volume.
60%, seat control, out of list.
Okay.
Go to video, 3 minutes 42 seconds, see how termites inspired a building the cuckoo itself, decoder, in list 8 items.
Yeah, so this is very simple. So let's go to the subscription is also same, so I'm not going to go into that.
Inbox button,
Inbox, the trending also same, so I'm not going to in depth. Inbox.
Selected.
Now I have got something, a message.
Chat icon not loaded. YouTube
Chat
introducing a new way
something.
to share 8 months ago, in list 3 items.
So on the bottom right, top right corner,
Notifications button.
there is a button.
Search button.
Search,
Account.
video,
Search
and
button.
notification. You have to use
Notifications.
notifications, and there are some
New
notifications.
notification. Right side uploaded. 18 food myths. Why healthy eating is wrong. 7 hours ago. In list 12 items.
These are, you can search notifications. There are tons and tons of notifications which I have received. So let's go to the library.
Library button. Out of list. Library selected.
Yes.
Playlist A to Z.
Now if you didn't change any settings on the YouTube app, the first top left corner, from the top left corner little bit down, there are videos which you have watched recently. Okay.
18 food myths. Why healthy eating is wrong. 10 minutes progress bar. Right side. In list 16 items.
This video, I was watching this video before the recording of this video, so it says progress bar, which means you didn't watch the video completely, or you have stopped somewhere, okay, on the video. Okay, so
Menu button.
you can go swipe
Stop
like
being
this
shy.
and
Menu button.
it will show the recent videos. So come to the little bit down, and
History. Out of list.
history, self-explanatory.
Downloads 1 video.
Downloads,
Playlist button.
just click downloads and you can find your downloads as usual.
My videos.
My videos means it will show your videos in your channel. Okay,
Watch later. 11 unwatched videos.
watch later means you can add a video to a watch later playlist, so you can go and watch it later. I will show that in a minute.
Drop down menu. Playlists A to Z.
Now these are saved playlists, okay, as usual.
Books 5
Now
videos.
I have a playlist called books. It says 5 videos, so it means there are 5 videos which I have saved to that playlist called books. Okay, so to search an item,
Selected. Library button.
go to touch the top right corner
Account.
and come
Search
back,
button.
left swipe and press
Show
double
English
tap
UK QWERTY keyboard.
and just search. Now let's search the voice typing. Technology for
Delete.
oh wait,
Voice search button.
something is going on.
Network not connected.
Oh, network not connected, which means you need
Back.
network to
Free. On. Mobile data. Switch. Off Wi-Fi. Off. Open Wi-Fi setting. Back.
okay, doesn't matter. Let's
Voice search
type
button. Y. T. R. E. E. C. C. H. N. N. Technical. Icon. Delete. C deleted. I deleted. N deleted. N. N. technologyforblind@gmail.com. Technologyforblind@gmail. Delete. L deleted. Delete. A deleted. Delete. Delete. G deleted. D deleted. Delete. F. F. Delete. D. D. Space. T. Y. I. O. U. Your. D. T. Tour. U. U. B. E. E. Space. B. C. J. H. N. N. B. Delete. S delete. A. N. N. Channels. L. Delete.
search.
English, UK, QWERTY, keyboard hidden.
Yeah, now I have found the channel.
Technology for Blind, 166 subscribers, 45
Just
videos.
double click this one and you will be landed on the home screen. So it will show the most viewed video on this channel. So just
Popular uploads heading in list.
popular
7 items.
uploads.
How to download, install and crack JAWS 18.0 for free.
So
Menu button.
this was my first video on my YouTube channel. So if you want to get to the videos, just touch the top center, like there is a picture,
Technology for Blind, 167 subscribers.
and swipe left to go back.
Channels button. Out of
Channels,
list. Play. Video. Select videos button.
videos, just double tap the video.
Videos. Selected.
Okay, now here are the videos. So
38 minutes progress bar. How to use VMware Player to create a virtual machine as a screen reader user. 1 day ago, 26 views. It
So-
lists 28 items.
this was my last video. This is my last video which I uploaded yesterday. So it will show the date added newest. Okay, so let's go to the double tap. Okay, now it will start to play. Now since my data connection is slow, so
Play video.
now okay, so after double tapping the video, there are new options to explore. Now how can I explain it to you? It's a bit complex, this one. So on the top side there is a small like rectangular shape preview which shows the video and the controls. There are
Rewind button.
rewind,
Previous video. Rewind. Previous video.
previous
Button.
video,
Play video. Button.
play,
Fast forward button.
fast forward,
Next video.
next,
Hide controls button.
hide controls. Now if you press this button only, you can see the video completely nice. Okay, if not, the controls are on the video. Now if we disabled the talkback, without the talkback it will automatically be hidden by the system, by the YouTube app within like 1 second. Okay, if we enable, if the talkback is enabled while using the YouTube app, we have to manually go and click this hide control button to disable these controls. Okay, now as you can see, you can as you can see, my face now can be seen very nicely. So to get the controls back, just tap your fingers, that means get 2 fingers and tap once. Now you will be able to get the the controls. Okay,
Play video button 031 of 3814 seat control.
if you touch the controls, now place middle of that video.
Play video button
Let's go to the down little.
031 of 3814
Now
seat control.
on this 031 of 13 something telling, you can use your volume rocker keys up down to
031
fast
of
forward
3814 seat control. 610 of
the
3814
video.
seat control.
Okay,
803 of 3814 seat control.
very simple. So now let's learn how to like, dislike. Now there is a button on the left, like you have to find, I cannot explain it to you, that is mean it is on the like center of the screen, left side. Like
I dislike this.
I dislike this.
Share.
Share.
Download button.
Download, you can download the video to your YouTube app. You cannot use in computer, you only can use on the YouTube app. Okay, save. If you press this button, it will save to your recent playlist which you have saved. Now let's double tap it.
Save to recent playlist. Books.
Yeah, now since I have saved to the books recently, it saved to that. Okay,
Close dialog. Back.
please wait.
Save.
Now let's go next.
Technology for Blind 167 subscribers.
This is the YouTube channel, that means this is the link for the YouTube channel. If you click this, you can go to the YouTube channel directly. Okay,
Technology for Blind. Unsubscribe from Technology for Blind.
unsubscribes. Now this is not my Technology for Blind YouTube channel account. Okay, this is my personal account, so I have subscribed to the Technology for Blind account. Okay, so if I want to unsubscribe, simply I can double tap.
Cancel button. Unsubscribe from Technology for Blind. Cancel. Okay.
Okay, that's
Unsubscribe
okay.
from Technology for Blind. Subscribe to Technology for Blind.
Now
Unsubscribe
again,
from Technology for Blind.
now again it shows the
Technology. Subscribe to Technology
subscribe.
for Blind.
Okay, now let's double tap.
Unsubscribe from
Okay.
Technology for Blind.
So let's swipe right.
YouTube notifications are off. Tap to change your notification
Yeah,
setting.
this is the bell icon, which if you press this icon, you will be notified whether whenever YouTube channel posted a content, a video. Okay, so let's double tap.
Navigate up.
Now
Notifications. Back
since my YouTube app, I have disabled notifications, it didn't show something notification push button etc. But if you using the default YouTube app default settings, it will show something. Okay, now
YouTube. Subscription. Allow notifications. Tick to switch. Space. Display in the status bar.
now there are lots of
Tick to switch. Banners display on. Tick to switch. Tick. Off. Not tick. Lock screen notification. Priority display. Not tick. Ringtone. Tick to switch. Vibrate. Tick to switch. Off. Back.
so let's come back.
Current setting is for occasional notifications.
No.
Tap to change your notification
Yeah,
setting
this is
for
the
Technology
setting.
for Blind.
Let's double tap.
Current setting is for all notifications. Tap to change your notification setting for Technology for Blind. You'll receive all notifications.
Thank
Up
you.
next, autoplay.
So
Off switch. Home. Button. Save. Technology. Current setting is for all notifications.
let's go next.
Up next, autoplay.
Up next, autoplay.
Off switch.
Now if this setting is on, after ending this video, after the video is finished, it will start to play the next video which is suggested for you. Okay,
This is how hackers crack passwords. 5 minutes,
Now-
44 seconds. TechRaj, 6.3 amp views.
these are the recommended videos on the YouTube app. Okay, now you can scroll through these videos by holding 2 fingers and swipe up like this. Okay, now I'm scrolling.
How to
As you can hear, there is
be
a
on
progress
Facebook.
bar.
6 ways to leave a lasting impression.
Okay,
Top 5 programming languages
Okay.
to learn in 2018.
So-
How to use VMware Player to create a virtual expand mini player.
so I have to give you an advice. Okay, now this will not work if you aren't trying this app. Okay, if you don't have an Android device, I don't think you will be able to learn those things because if you have an Android device, if my videos are little bit confusing, when you try it, you will be able to find your own way to do such thing. Now if you are completely blind, you cannot do such thing as I. Okay, so please try your best and you will be able to good to go. So the next item that I would like to show to you is how to comment, how to how to read comments and find. So hold two fingers and swipe up very fast, like this, and it will automatically landed into your comment section. Now I have got one comment, so we have to like this.
Aaron Lapping, 7 hours ago. Just a friendly tip for people who want to download VMware Player or Windows XP. You can use crossgang.com. One reply, one like, powered by Technology for Blind. In list 26 items.
Now, as you can hear, these are self-explanatory. After that, you can.
Aaron Lapping button. Like button.
If you want,
Dislike
you can
button.
like, dislike,
Apply button.
like,
Action menu.
action,
View reply.
etc. Now
Action
let's see
menu.
what report. On the action menu, there is a set option called report.
Back
For
button.
sure. So
Action menu. Add a public comment.
little bit top, there is a button add a public comment. If you double click
Show
that,
English UK QWERTY
you will be
Editing. Add a public comment. Three
get
full stop. Edit box.
a keyboard. You can type, and
Editing. Add a public. Editing. Add
after
capital A N D U.
typing,
Send comment button.
there is a button will appear which says send button. You can send.
Back.
So let's
Back.
go back.
YouTube.
Okay.
Home. Button. Back button. Discard discard comment. Discard button.
Discard. Okay.
Add a public comment. In list 26 items.
So guys, I'm not going to go into the settings dialog because those are self-explanatory. I'm not going to waste your time. So
Back button.
if you press back button while listening to the video,
How to use VMware Player to create a virtual machine.
on the top left corner, the bottom left corner, little bit top, little bit on the phone, there is a small app, mini player,
How to use VMware Player to create a virtual machine as a screen reader user. Technology for Blind.
and you can swipe right,
Play video button.
play video,
Close button.
close,
Expand mini player.
expand mini player. If you press this expand mini player, as usually you will be landed on the expanded mini player app, mini player view. Okay, so
Back. How to use
close.
Close button.
Yeah, so I think
Selected library.
I have done the job, the work. So if you have any questions, comments, please feel free to comment me. I'm glad to help you. And also I'm not going into all of the settings, all of the features which YouTube has to offer us, because those are you have to find on your own. Now I have given you the foundation of the YouTube, of the Android operating system. So if you passionate about those things, you can find lot of things than this video. So thank you for watching Technology for Blind YouTube channel, this video. I hope you have gained some knowledge and you have improved your skill to navigate in Android. Yeah, signing out, Mohomed Rashad. Bye bye.